Hello, good evening. This is Prithviraj Naik. I am welcoming you to my channel, Electrical Products, and today's topic is power system. Okay, we will talk something about power system and what are its components of power system, what are its main parts, and why. What is the importance of power system? Why we study power system? Power system basic knowledge and its importance. Let's talk something about it. I am Prithviraj Naik, MTech, Power System Engineering, and let's start. Okay. See, power system means electrical system. Okay. Power system means electrical system. Power means electricity, nothing more than that. So, whenever we talk about the total electrical system of a country, then that is called as a power system. Okay, simply. And where the power is generated, that is also called as power plant. And power system basically main three parts are there. First is generation, then second is transmission, third is distribution. Generation means where the electricity is generated. That section is called as power generation. That may be. And transmission means the generated power is transmitted. That is first the generated power basically generated in 11 kV, and it is step up to 132 kV or 400 kV or 765 kV. Okay, then that high voltage, that bulk amount of power is transmitted from long distance, so that is called as transmission. Suppose Vedanta has a 1800 megawatt. Okay, suppose for example one power plant, that may be Vedanta or any big power plant, 1800 megawatt, and that is transmitting to, suppose, Bangalore city. Okay, that Bangalore city is the customer. Bangalore city is the customer, and I am the generator. The Vedanta power plant is the generator, and the high amount of power has to be transferred from Odisha to Karnataka state. So that high amount, first of all we have to step up that generated power from 11 kV to maybe that 400 kV or 765 kV, and that sometimes also HVDC transmission is also used. We will talk about it. HVDC, what is HVDC? That a high amount of power is transmitted, first step up, then it is transmitted to, that means to the state, the customer state. Okay, the receiving state, and then that is transmission is completed. Then after that distribution part starts. Third part is distribution. Distribution means that high amount of voltage is stepped down to the lower voltage and distributed to, suppose 765 to 33 kV, then 33 to 11 kV, and 11 kV to 400 kV, 400 to 220 kV, 220 volt. Okay, 400 volt to 440 volt to 220 or 230 volt. So house from domestic lower level, that is whenever that is called as distribution. That means from high voltage to low voltage. And in our villages or households or industrial small industries, we provide domestic power supply. That is basically distribution part. Okay, so first we will talk about generation. Actually this is a very big big part, and a lot of things are there. Whenever we call power system, then power system means first generation part is coming, then power transmission is coming, steady state analysis of power system is coming, and the steady state parameters, then the ABCD parameters are there, Z parameters are there, analysis, mathematical analysis of transmission lines is there. Then after that, mathematical derivation for short transmission line, medium transmission line, and long transmission line. Okay, this is there. And traveling waves analysis is there. Okay, capacitor effect is there, Faraday effect is there. Then after that, then stability, uh, fault analysis is there. Fault analysis, there are various types of faults are coming, so fault analysis is there. Then stability concept is there. Okay, stability, how the system stability is happening, and with the help of control system or Laplace transform, we analyze the stability system. And stability of power we will study. And then after that, economic concept is there in power system. That means load distance, and economic concept, economic analysis is there. And cables are there. We have to study about cables. And power system protection is there, circuit breakers, relays, and how the power system is protected. That is another subject is there, power system protection. And then the flat systems are there. What is the latest technologies incoming in power system for protection purpose, circuit breakers, relays, and generator protection. In protection section, a lot of things are there. So power system is like 4-5 papers is a combination of power system subject. So we have to discuss a lot of things, and this is an introductory. So we will talk one by one chapter, and I will cover it as per your requirement. And whatever you have doubt or any queries, please give me comments, and I will discuss more about that, and according to your requirement. Okay. So this is power system generation, transmission, distribution. This is the main part, but these are what I have told now. These are the subjects. So these subjects are coming under these 3 sections. Okay. So this is the something fundamental, and I hope you like this video, and please like and subscribe my channel. Okay. And I am Prithviraj Nayak. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind, Jai Jagannath.